Hey, how you guys doing? Had a reverse gear sensor issue with the CForce 500 Classic. Second time we've had it. The issue, it'll start flashing that red light flashes up here. Before we lost power with it, you'd be going along, all of a sudden the light would start flashing, you'd lose power, go in the limp mode. Figured out it's the reverse gear sensor, which is down under here. And I think you can, let me see if I can get the light on it. It's under there, and it is right. Jesus, you can't see it with my finger. It is. This is tough. Right there. Right there. Okay, right to the top side of that hose right there. I got the plug off, but it's right there. So you're looking from the side here. Take this cover off, and it almost kind of looks like a little spark plug. Here's the old one right here. Okay, wire goes on the top, just screws in there. Bought both of these on Amazon. Just a little sensor, gets mud in it, gets wet, whatever, make sure you tighten it down pretty good. And that's that. So hopefully this helps people out. If it goes into that limp mode on your display, that light start flashing red, that could be part of the problem. Thank you. See ya.